This is your mentor, your guide, TMA Pradeep Dhyani, and once again, welcome to the new video. So, guys, there are some information, there are some updates regarding those students who didn't give even a single paper of CMA Inter or final due to the government didn't permit in those centers. Okay, guys, and apart from this is also the update regarding those students who faced technical glitches in earlier exam. So, guys, there is information that institute will conduct those students exam in two phase, one for those students who didn't get their admit card due to any reasons, or didn't give, or those students didn't give even a single paper. Okay, guys, so institute will reschedule their exams, and within 1 week or 10 days institute will release the dates, and I am assuring that these dates will not clash with the upcoming CA exams. So do not worry, rest assured and have faith in our respected mother institute. Okay, guys, and those students who face the technical glitches, and what all about those students? So, guys, in earlier videos before starting the exam, I have also said to all those students, do one thing. When you face the problem, you can do one thing, that you can connect with a proctor, or also if possible you can take the screenshot. Okay, guys, and I if you faced any problem, even a single paper, two paper, or more than two paper, so you can do one thing, that you can mail institute. Okay, guys, institute is also concerned about these matters, and they will surely help you. You can and most of the students are worried about the institute is not replying. Okay, guys, institute is not replying because there are lots of mail. You cannot imagine how many thousands of mail institute released till now. So institute is analyzing each and every aspect of those mails, and institute will surely help you, guys. Institute will surely help you, guys. Okay, guys, and so there is a two phase, one for rescheduling, and second one is re-examination for those students who didn't give even a single paper. Okay, guys, so they will reschedule. Okay, guys, and those students who face technical glitches, I have already said that you need to mail to the institute, and institute will surely help you. And how institute will help you, guys, I want to explain all these things. After successful conducting of rescheduling exams, institute will provide another term of exam to those students who face technical glitches. Institute will pull or extract SGR report. What is SGR report, sir? SGR report is, guys, system generated report. System generated report will clearly specify that those students who face technical glitches. Okay, guys, and suppose mali in any case any student face technical glitches, but which is not shown in SGR. So I have already said to those students, you need to immediately mail, and if possible for those students, you can visit to nearest chapter and consult with the technical department of the nearest chapter. They will, I am assuring that the institute will surely, the technical department will team will surely help you, guys. No need to worry. Apart from these two important information, I want to also share some of the information, guys. And about the result, guys, about the result, guys, there may be some delay, maybe as per my information, 15 to 21st Feb the institute will release declare all after successful completion of rescheduling exam and re-examination. Okay, guys, apart from this, some of the students asked me a question that sir, in while solving the MCQ, we have done correct answer, but the answer is not matched with the given four options. So, guys, if it is true, suppose in a costing paper, question paper, there is a MCQ based question that ask about the EOQ, economic order quantity, and the answer will the exact answer will be 200, which is not shown in four type option. So, guys, I'm assuring that every student who attended the exam will get 1 mark. Okay, guys, and for all those question paper, they will get, if there is there is a technical error, the institute will not suffer. Okay, the institute will get mark. Okay, guys, I think you got the answer of these questions. And apart from this, I have already discussed about the result. And now there is I have already before the yesterday session, I have already told you guys that about the taxation mark in taxation paper, there is a 132 mark. So, guys, I have already assured that institute will provide sufficient assistance to all the students. So, guys, let's how institute will help you. There is a three question, 4, 5, 6. If a student did all the three attempt all the three questions, the institute will give exam on the basis of higher means in 4 you will get 7 mark, in 5 you will get 12 mark, in or in six question you will get 10 marks, so whichever is higher is 12, you will get 12 marks. This is a good side from the institute side. Okay, I have noted down, and I have already discussed about why institute is not replying. Institute, because institute is analyzing all the students mail who face the technical glitches or any issue. Okay guys, so do not worry, institute will 100% I'm assuring that the institute will provide you sufficient assistance. Okay guys, but please follow my steps. I have already told also before the starting the exams. Okay guys, and I have noted down the other reply that okay, and this should not okay guys, two remaining points is that maybe it is also possible that institute is trying to help student for that the institute will revise the admission fees. So institute is trying to defer the for one for some of the period. So institute will it is probably that institute will defer the new revised fees. Okay guys, apart from this one about most of the student is confused about their training period. So guys, including all training, either it is job or articleship or anything else, 3 year required to get your membership number and you will become ACMA. And for FCMA you need to do 5 year training. Okay guys, hope these updated points clarify all your doubts, and rest assured, if still do you have any questions, you can comment me. I will surely help you, and I am your as a mentor, as a big brother. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will surely help you guys, and this is all about the updated information. If there is an any other update, I will surely update you guys. Okay guys, and that's all about me. And do not worry about do not panic, and enjoy the rest period. And those students would yet need to give the exams, focus on those studies. And still anyone face any problem in anything, you can ask me. I will surely help you. And thank you so much guys. Bye guys.